Welcome back to Massive Profit, your go-to channel for all things related to wealth building and financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: unlocking financial freedom. My top passive income strategies. So, let's get started. Passive income, it's the holy grail of personal finance, isn't it? The idea of making money while you sleep is incredibly appealing, but how do you get there? How do you set up these streams of income that require minimal effort to maintain? Well, today I'm going to share with you my top passive income strategies that can help you unlock financial freedom. These are tried and tested methods that have worked for me, and I'm confident they can work for you too. 1. Real estate investments. First up, real estate investments. This is one of the oldest and most reliable forms of passive income. By owning rental properties, you can earn a steady stream of income from tenants. The key is to find properties in good locations where the demand for rentals is high. You can also consider commercial properties or vacation rentals, which often yield higher returns. To get started, you need to do thorough research or work with a real estate agent who understands the market. Once you purchase a property, you can either manage it yourself or hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations. This way, you can enjoy the benefits without the constant headache of property management. Property appreciation over time also adds to your net worth, making real estate a powerful tool for wealth building. 2. Dividend stocks. Next on the list is dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn a regular income in the form of dividends. These are typically paid out quarterly and can provide a steady cash flow. The best part? You can reinvest these dividends to buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. Look for companies with a history of paying consistent and increasing dividends. Blue-chip stocks are often a safe bet. Diversifying your portfolio across different sectors can also mitigate risks. Platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade make it easy to start investing in dividend stocks even with a small amount of money. Remember, the key to success with dividend stocks is patience and consistency. Over time, the power of compound interest can significantly boost your wealth. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Third, we have peer-to-peer lending. This is a relatively new way to earn passive income where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, you earn interest on the loans you provide. The interest rates can be quite attractive, especially compared to traditional savings accounts. However, there is a risk of default, so it's crucial to diversify your investments across multiple loans to spread out the risk. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn passive income while helping others achieve their financial goals. Always research the creditworthiness of borrowers and consider investing in lower-risk loans to balance your portfolio. 4. Create and sell online courses. Fourth, let's talk about creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. This can be an excellent source of passive income once the course is up and running. Creating a course does require upfront effort, planning the content, recording the videos, and marketing the course. But once it's done, you can earn money every time someone enrolls. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about and that has demand. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with other influencers to maximize your reach. Engaging with your students through Q&A sessions and feedback can also enhance the value of your course and lead to higher ratings and more enrollments. To increase your course's attractiveness, consider offering additional resources like downloadable materials, quizzes, and certification upon completion. These extras can justify a higher price point and add more value for your students. 5. Write and publish a book. Next, we have writing and publishing a book. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or a how-to guide, books can provide a steady stream of passive income through royalties. With platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, it's easier than ever to self-publish and reach a global audience. Once your book is published, you can earn royalties every time someone buys it. Promoting your book through social media, book signings, and online ads can help boost sales. The great thing about books is that they can continue to sell for years, providing long-term passive income. Consider writing a series to keep readers engaged and coming back for more. Ebooks and audiobooks are also growing markets, so make sure to offer your book in multiple formats to reach a broader audience. Collaborating with other authors for anthologies or guest writing in popular blogs and magazines can also increase your book's visibility. Don't forget to leverage your existing network and ask for reviews from friends, family, and colleagues to build credibility and attract more readers. 6. Create a YouTube channel. Finally, let's talk about creating a YouTube channel. Just like this one. YouTube can be a fantastic source of passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to create valuable content that resonates with your audience. It takes time and effort to grow your channel and build a loyal audience, but once you do, the income potential is significant. Focus on a niche you're passionate about and consistently upload high-quality videos. Engage with your audience, use SEO strategies to increase visibility, and explore different monetization options to maximize your earnings. Collaborations with other YouTubers and participating in trending challenges can also boost your channel's growth. Monetizing your channel goes beyond ad revenue. Sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales are excellent ways to diversify your income streams. Platforms like Patreon can also help you earn through fan support, allowing your most dedicated viewers to contribute directly to your content creation. Regularly analyze your channel's performance and adapt your content strategy based on viewer feedback and analytics to keep growing your channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite passive income strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to Massive Profit for more tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Click the link in our description box to access the affiliate link and get started with the course. By doing so, you'll be supporting our channel and helping us create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.